For your task 2 of the lab, defining and representing coordinate systems, first in your lab 2 project in ArcGIS Pro, go to the Insert tab and then click New Map. You can change the name of the map to a new name. For that, go to Properties for the map in the Contents pane and then go to the Map Properties, click on the tab General and then change the name to new name, Task 2, and when you are done, click OK. Now the name is changed. You can look at the properties of the layers, NC Counties PRJ and NC GCS. For that, go to the catalog pane at first and then find the lab2 folder and go to the properties for NC Counties PRJ save file. You can look at the spatial reference information and note down the projected coordinate system as well as projection. We can also look at the properties for NCGCS save file. When you look at the spatial reference, it says unknown coordinate system. Unknown is not good, so we must fix it. You can drag and drop the NCGCS save file layer from the catalog pane to the contents pane, and when you do so, you will get warning which says unknown coordinate system, task to data source is missing. You can look at the units that are displayed and then answer the questions. Next, you need to drag and drop the NC Counties PRJ shapefile layer from the catalog to the contents pane. Still, the NCGCS layer will not be visible. Then we can right click on properties for the task to map and then go to the coordinate systems, and the coordinate systems is unknown. We should fix it. So to fix that, go to the analysis tab and go to the tools, and in the geoprocessing group, click toolbox and then search for, and then go to data management tools. After that, go to projections and transformations and then click define projection. So we need to define projection, and for the input feature class or input dataset, click NCGCS, and for the coordinate system, find geographic coordinate system and then go to North America and then click US and territories and then click NAD 1983, and when you are done with it, click OK and then you can run it. The layer will be added to the contents pane, and you can right click the layer properties for the NCGCS. Go to the properties of the layer and then go to the source, and you can find the spatial reference for it. The geographic coordinate system is NAD 1983. You can uncheck the NC Counties PRJ layer and you will see only the NCGCS layer which will be visible. This is the layer which is the boundary of the state of North Carolina. Next, again go to analysis and then tools, go to geoprocessing, and in the toolboxes, look for data management tools and go to project tool. Under the projections and transformations, and for the input dataset or feature class, click NCGCS, and for output dataset, and click for output, add a new name. So for example, ncprj, and when you are done with it, click save. And then for the output coordinate system, click nc counties prj, and then when you are done with it, click run. After you click the run, you should add the new layer ncprj. If you do not see it, then go again to your catalog pane, and then you can add it from there. Next, go to the properties for ncgcs, and then click source, and look for the geographic coordinate system, which is 1983, and you can screenshot this for your task, and then do the same thing for ncprj. Go to its properties, and then go to source special reference, and then find the information for the projected coordinate system as well as for the projection, and you can screenshot this. And both these screenshots should be placed within your Word document under task 2. Thank you.